So guys, now please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Just we have questions box, guys. Then please answer there. Questions box is available. Just you can type information there. Now, first of all, now tell me, guys. Then all of you get my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Please confirm to me. Am I audible? Am I audible? Okay. Right, sir. It's okay. Now, just today I'm going to provide some introduction part, guys. Now observe carefully. So all of you take these links now. All of you take this screenshot, this link, and this what I'm telling there, this admin number. Take these two screenshot. Take this screenshot and give intimation to me in the questions box now, so that I'll move forward. Guys, have you taken the screenshot of it? Okay. Then everyday classroom notes here we are able to get with this link, guys. Then already I have prepared some notes. Or otherwise just 1 minute. Yeah, don't take it. No, don't take it. I will create it separately. No need to worry for it. Just 1 minute. I'll create it. Don't worry for it. Oh, just 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute, guys. Then I'll create it separately. No need to take this one, existing one here. I thought of it. I want to provide this, but it's okay. No problem here. Mm. Now let me create full stack Java. Not here. I'll prepare all of them later on. Yeah, don't worry. Then first of all, let me take this demonstration here. After that, we are going to understand it clearly. Now it's okay. Right, sir. So now here we have to understand full stack Java demonstration here we are going to take today. Full stack Java. In full stack Java, what content here I'm going to cover? What exactly the content here I'm going to be covered? Just I want to give some clarity on it. The first one is core Java, and the second one is advanced Java. Next one is Hibernate. Then after this, next one is Spring. Next one is what? Spring Boot. Next one is microservices. Apart from this, then here we required UI technologies. Then in the UI technologies, what we are able to get there? HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery. So these concepts here we are able to get inside these UI technologies. After this, the next one is what? The React.js. So these 5 topics here are going to be covered inside like what? The full stack Java in this course. Okay, now out of all these courses, out of all these concepts, core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices will be taken by myself. I'm going to take these content. The remaining UI and React.js will be covered by some other trainer at Durgasoft. So many trainers are available at Durgasoft. Then some other trainers will cover the UI part and React.js front end part. Now I'm going to cover that core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices. Okay, right. Now After this, if you understand this core Java content here, if you understand this, inside this core Java, what I am going to be covered, what exactly the content here I am going to be covered inside this core Java. Here we are going to see this now. Just I'm going to give list of topics here. Already I have that list of topics. I'm able to use that list of topics, but I want to type it now. What exactly the content here I'm going to be covered. The first one is like what there, introduction part. The first one is introduction part. In this introduction part here, what we are going to be see there, what we are going to understand, why we need to come for Java. We have so many programming languages and outside, why we are coming for the Java. After that, Java features. After the Java features, Java programming format and Java naming conventions. What exactly the rules and regulations here we have to follow to prepare Java programming, Java programs here, that content here we are going to understand. This is about like what the introduction part. After this introduction part here, next one is what the steps to prepare first Java application. Steps to prepare first Java application. That here we are going to understand. Steps to prepare first Java application in a sense, we are going to start right from downloading Java software from internet, installation of the Java, configuration of the Java in our system. Then after completion of this, installation of the IDEs or maybe editors, Eclipse IDE or IntelliJ IDEA. Next one is a VS Code or Edit Plus and so on. After this, IDEs and editors. Next one is what? Prepare Java program and save Java program, compile Java program and execute Java program. These steps here we are going to understand there. Inside the steps to prepare first Java program. After this, we are going to understand language fundamentals. Language fundamentals. Inside these language fundamentals, we are going to understand directly loops. That means if conditions, if else parts, switch cases. No. Next one is loops, for loop, for each loop, while loop, do while loop. After completion of this break statement, continue statement. Then after that, operators, identifiers, so many constants, literals, so many things we are going to be covered. The basic programming elements we are going to be covered inside these language fundamentals. After completion of these language fundamentals, the topic there, then here we have to understand patterns parts here. Patterns, that means then how to display stars in a circle, how to display stars in a rectangle, how to display stars in a like a pyramid shape, how to display stars in a inverted rectangle, how to display stars in inverted pyramid, how to display stars in like what the rhombus shape. Different shapes here we are going to prepare there. Almost 99 programs we are going to understand over this patterns topic only. After this, after completion of this patterns here, the next one is the very important thing is what the whoops concepts here we are going to understand. So if you want to give stars for it, no, then 100 stars here we are able to provide for this. This is very important content here. We have to understand it now. Object orientation. In object orientation, what topic here we are going to understand? In object orientation, what topic here we are going to understand? Okay. That's it. Then in object orientation, we are going to understand how objects are going to be created, then how to declare classes and how to use objects and classes. After this, after completion of this class and objects, super keyword. Then before the super keyword, constructors part here, this keyword, static keyword, final keyword, encapsulation, abstraction, and inheritance polymorphism. Then inside this inheritance, different types of inheritances, no, static context, instance context. Then after that, method overloading, method overriding, interfaces and enum. All these many concepts here we are going to understand inside this object orientation. Whoops concepts here. Observe carefully. So very important, and everybody has to understand these whoops concepts here. The whoops concepts are not only in the case of Java, they are available in other programming languages also. They are available in like what where they are available here now. They are going to be available in other programming languages like what other programming languages here now. Python also whoops is available, but their conventions are different. In Java also whoops is available, but its convention is different. Like this in different programming languages, and the object orientation is available. Okay, this is clear. Next one is after completion of this object orientation, whoops concepts here in all these things. So the next one is what there. Here we are going to understand packages topic here. So how to declare packages and how to access the data from the packages, no? All the content here we are going to understand. This is about like what the packages. After completion of this packages content here, then what next one here we are going to see there. Then wrapper classes is another content now. We'll discuss about it. This wrapper classes immediately you are not going to understand this. That I will discuss with in the future there. Then we have a separate topic for it. What now? Wrapper classes that we are going to understand. After this, after completion of this wrapper classes here, what next one here we are understanding there after completion of this wrapper classes. Next one is inner classes here we are going to understand. As how to declare a class inside another class. In general, we are going to write a loop inside another loop now. That is what their inner loop, nested loop. Similarly, how to declare a class inside another class. That is called as what their inner class. How to declare a class inside another class. That is called as what their inner class here now. This is exactly the point here we have to understand. Okay. How to declare a class inside another class. That is inner class now. Different types of inner classes are available. What are the different types of inner class are available here now? Alright, sir. Now the first one is like what their member inner class. After this member inner class, next one is what their anonymous inner class, method local inner class, static inner class. All this content here we are going to understand. So anyway, the inner class is also required. Is a normal. Next one is what there. After this string operations. String operation. This is also an important topic here. If you want to keep some stars now, 25 stars here we are able to provide for this string operations. So inside the string operations, we are going to perform the string operations like how to find the length of the string. After that, how to perform concatenation operation. Then after the trim operations. Then after preparing substrings, generating substrings. After completion of which, like what are the concatenation, like this, different string operations here we are going to understand inside like what there inside the string operations now. So string class we are going to understand, string buffer we are going to understand, string tokenizer we are going to understand, different types of concepts here we are able to understand. That's about like what the string operations here. After this, after completion of the string operations here, then what next one here we are going to understand there after the string operations no. Right, sir. Now observe carefully. After the string operations, here we are going to understand exception handling mechanism. Now, if you want to provide the stars here, there we can provide nearly 50 stars here we can provide for this exception handling mechanisms. So, what is an exception handling now? What exactly this meaning of this exception handling? What we are understanding about this exception handling? Right, so runtime error is nothing but an exception. If we are getting an error at compilation time, easily we can handle it. We can identify the location where we are getting error. We can go there and we can modify the code. Finally, we can correct it. But if you are getting an exception at runtime, if you are getting an error at runtime, how we are going to manage it? If you are getting an error at runtime, automatically program execution is going to be stopped. Interruptions are going to be happening in the program execution. So it may cause some serious problems. So to avoid these problems here, we have to use a set of mechanisms explicitly. That set of mechanisms are called as what their exception handling mechanisms. There we are going to use exception handling mechanisms. Inside these exception handling mechanisms, we are going to understand what is an exception, types of exceptions, checked exceptions and unchecked exceptions. After understanding the types of exceptions, now throws keyword. Next one is the throw keyword. Next one is the try catch finally, try with resources, and finally user defined exceptions. These many things here we are able to understand. After this, after completion of this exception handling mechanisms, that another content, another topic is like what there multi-threading. So this is also be one of the important topic here. If you want to give some stars there we can give that 50 number of stars for this multi-threading. What exactly the concepts are available inside this multi-threading? First of all, what is a thread? Thread is a flow of execution to perform a particular task. Thread is a flow of execution to perform a particular task. This is called as like what the thread. How many types of thread? How many thread models are available? Two thread models, single thread model, multi-thread model. How we are going to manage single thread model? How we are able to manage this multi-thread model? That we are able to get. Once we understand this multi-thread model, then we are going to understand thread life cycle. Then after that, how to prepare threads in our Java programs. What libraries are available to prepare threads in Java program. After that, thread class library, constructors and methods of this thread class. After understanding this, inter-thread communication, synchronization. Then these concepts we are going to understand inside this multi-threading. Here we are going to understand it clearly. After this multi-threading, then what next one here we are going to understand there? IO streams. So if you want to perform input and output operations here in Java programs there we are going to use IO streams. Then 25 number of stars, if you want to provide, we can provide it. 25 number of stars here we are able to provide for this. IO sims is another content here. Okay, sir. Whenever we are completing this IO sims now, after that, what next one here we are going to provide there after this IO sims here now. Okay, now inside this IO sims, the main topic is what there. Then important and main topic is like what there. Serialization is one of the topic that we are going to use internally in so many applications. Serialization is required. That is one of the topic here we are able to understand. Okay, whenever we are completing, when we completed this IO sims part here, then what next one here we are able to understand. The next one is after this IO sims, then what next one here we are able to understand there. Observe carefully. Right, sir. Networking is a content is available. Networking, no, it is an outdated topic actually. Nobody is using that, so I'm able to provide that video support. Yes, I'm able to provide video support for this topic here. Why? Because it's totally an outdated content here. All right, sir. Next one is after this networking. Then what next one here we are going to understand after this networking here? RMI, remote method invocation. This also be an outdated topic. No need to discuss about it. No, then I'm going to share like what the video support. Video support I'm able to provide for it. Guys, then one thing I'm telling to you, every class of mine is recording. Every class will be provided as videos to you. Recorded videos I'm able to provide for you. So try to, you can utilize it. Then every class is being recorded. By default, we are able to get video sessions. Okay, this is one thing here. Next one is after this RMI, we are going to understand that another important topic is like what there, collection framework. Collection framework. Right, sir. Very, very important. If you want to give stars for it, no, there we can give 100 stars for it. Collection framework. So whenever we are getting this collection framework, no, inside this collection framework, we are going to understand the data structures related concepts like array list maybe, linked list maybe, vectors maybe, stacks maybe, trees maybe, graphs maybe, some different data structures are available. All these data structures here we are going to understand inside like what their collection framework. So very good topic. It may take a lot of time. At the same time, I'm going to provide very good content about this collection framework that we are able to understand. Right. Then once we completed this collection framework, no, the next topic would be generics. Generics is the next content here. So it's an extension of the collection framework. In collection framework only, we are going to use this particular topic, generics. No, so there we are going to see. No need to worry for it. But at present here, we are unable to understand the content here. At present, we are unable to understand this content immediately. But now I'm telling to you this topic, this content would be like what there, like useful content. Definitely, we are going to utilize this in more and more in the future. Right, sir. Next one is after this, after completion of this content here, then another thing is like what there. What is it? Another thing, no? Generics is okay. After this generics, no, JVM architecture. So who's executing our Java programs actually? JVM. JVM is executing our Java programs actually. So how JVM is working internally? What components are available inside the JVM? What elements are available inside the JVM? That everything here we are understanding clear. We are going to understand. So inside the JVM, garbage collector is available. Inside the JVM, class loaders are available. Memory management system is available. How heap memory is available. How stack memory is available. How memory area is available. Then after this, class loaders no. Bootstrap class loader, extension class loader, and app class loader. Like different class loaders. No. The total study of the JVM we are going to understand here as part of this core Java. All right, sir. Then once we completed this JVM, okay, the next one is what there. Reflection API. At present, you may not understand this topic. No, just some content here I'm telling you. I'm going to discuss about it in the future. No, reflection API. Next one is what their annotations. We can give 25 number of stars for these annotations here. So annotations mainly we are going to utilize. We are going to utilize these annotations as an alternative for XML documents. So previously we are able to use XML documents more and more in our applications. So to avoid these XML documents, no, we are going to use what their annotations. Annotations are the replacements for XML documents. We are going to understand effectively inside these annotations here. After completion of this annotations topic, no, next one is what there regular expressions. Regular expressions, it will be used for data validations topic. No, we have some patterns there. We are going to check the string whether the string is matching that pattern or not. Pattern matching content here we are going to see inside these regular expressions. We are going to understand this clearly effectively, no need to think much about it. No, this is like what are the regular expressions. Once we understand these regular expressions, the next topic would be like what there after this. Right, sir. JVM architecture is okay. Reflection API, annotations, regular expressions. After this, internationalization is another topic here. Internationalization. This is another topic here we have to understand. So, if you want to prepare Java programs as per the locality, as per the locality, as per the locality, if you want to prepare Java application, actually what happened from one local to another local, from one country to another country, from one region to another region, the conventions are going to be changed. Best example I'm telling there. Here in India, we are able to provide the date representation like date, month, year. But if you go for abroad, other country, maybe say for example, some US, no, they are going to provide like what their month, date, year. In some other countries like France, no, year, month, date. That depends on the locality. So from local to local, from one country to another country, the data representation is going to be varied. So now here, what is internationalization actually? Identifying the locality of the customer, identifying the locality of the user, and providing that user related conventions in our Java applications. Preparing that user related, user locality conventions in our Java applications. For that purpose, we are going to use like what there internationalization. Internationalization is understanding the user locality and providing user local conventions. Now, that's the meaning of like what there internationalization. After completion of this internationalization part here, after understanding this internationalization here, so what next one here we are going to understand there. Now here we are going to understand Java 8 version features. Like here, lambda expressions maybe, functional interfaces maybe. So many concepts are available here. How to prepare static methods inside the interfaces, no? How to prepare default methods inside the interfaces, no? All these concepts we are going to understand in like what there Java 8 version. So this is about like what the Java 8 version features. And then at the same time, now here we are going to understand Java 9 version features. Java 9 version features. There also some new features are available. I'm going to discuss about all these new features in the future. No need to worry for it. Once we completed Java 8 version features and Java 9 version features, after this, then we are going to understand. The next one here we are going to understand is like what there. Java 10 version to 10 to 25 version features. So many features are available here in the upcoming versions, no, that we are going to understand up to the latest version here. Not only 25th, no, by completing your course here, latest version. What will be the latest version? Up to that I'm going to prepare, I'm going to provide the latest version features kernel. So now these are the various topics we are going to understand inside the core Java. Right, so now once again I'm telling there in full stack Java these many content is these many courses are available. Out of all these things, my part is what they're up to microservices I'm going to discuss there. The remaining two concepts will be taken care by some other trainers at Durgasoft. After this core Java, the total syllabus I have given. Guys, now if you want to get that internal content of these headlines, no, after completion of this demo class, our admin people will send our admin people will send the detailed document for you. The PDF document we are able to get about our syllabus, what we are going to understand, what content here we are able to understand, that about the total content here we are able to get. No need to worry for it. But as of now here we have to understand these are the contents here what we are going to be covered inside the core Java. Next, one more point I am telling there. Every class is being recorded, so you will get every day recorded sessions. After completion of the class within 1 hour, we are able to get the recorded sessions. Next one is every class notes we are able to get. Every class notes will be provided to you through Google Docs. So every class is being recorded. You will get everyday recording sessions. Every class notes will be provided to you through Google Docs now. Then what else here apart from this now? What max content here we are able to get apart from this kit? Hmm? Guys, just today is a demonstration. What I am going to be provided here, what exactly the content here I'm going to be covered. Just information I provided to you. Then already I'm going to give some. If you want to get more information about my classes here, I will give you a number. To this number directly you can contact there, so that he will be in touch with you. He will give more information about it. Whatever the information you are expecting there, that everything will be provided to you. Now try to when contact with this number here is an admin number. Initially I given that number. Once again I'm giving that is a Hemant. Hemant is a name. He will take care about it. 7386095600. This is a number. Hemant is an admin person here. He will take care about these classes. No, myself is Nagoor Babu. Then I'm going to take these classes. My admin is what there, Hemant. He will take care about my classes totally. Okay. And one more thing here I'm telling to you. Now observe carefully. Timings of this class is what there. Now here I'm taking this 9:30 a.m. to actually 10:30 a.m. Just a demo. Just it's a matter of a few, might be 40 minutes demo only we are going to take. No, it's okay. Demo is a very small session, but every day 1 hour class care we are able to get. Now understand it. No, in future I will take your classes at 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Not immediately after completion of few classes. No, 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. We will conduct the classes in the future at this time only. In future, not immediately. Right, so now understand it. No, but at present I'm going to take your class like what there 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. only. But in future I will take your classes at 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. 1 hour before I'm going to take the class. Just a few classes on I'm going to take in this time period. In the future I'm going to take these classes. No, 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Guys, are you all of you following this? Guys, at least there is a question box for you. Then just please respond for me. Are you following the points? What I'm telling there? Are you understanding what is the content here I'm telling to you? Just as a demonstration, so just gathering purpose, and I have taken this session. No, actual syllabus I will start with you in the next class onwards. Okay. Yeah, there's very deep knowledge you are able to get, sir. More and more content I'm going to be covered in my classes now. And then the positive feedback or negative feedback about my class is what there. More content I'm going to be covered. Somewhat extra duration I'm going to take. More duration I'm going to take, but more content I'm going to be covered. As one thing I'm telling there, if you want to complete the Java within 1 month or 1.5 month of time, my classes are not at all suitable. If you want to stay more time, if you want to spend more time with me, then definitely I'm able to provide very good knowledge. More content I'm able to provide you. You're able to get more and more content with my classes. Effective knowledge, good knowledge we are able to get. Okay. Right, so just it is a demonstration. Then that original syllabus I'm going to start on tomorrow onwards, guys. Tomorrow onwards we'll go for the content here. Servlets will be the part of advanced Java. Yeah, Pranav. Servlets will be the part of advanced Java, not in core Java. The second topic is available, advanced Java. There I'm going to be covered, servlets. Okay. Okay. Right. So then shall we meet on tomorrow, guys? Shall we meet on tomorrow? Anyway, then tomorrow official I'm going to start directly core Java introduction part here. Just it is a small session only. Then demonstration only here I'm providing to you. Just I want to talk with you on tomorrow. Then official syllabus I'm going to start on tomorrow onwards. Shall we meet on tomorrow? Right, sir. Thank you, guys. Thanks so much. I'll meet on tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to start the content officially. Just as the demonstration I have taken that, but don't worry for it now. Tomorrow onwards, I'm going to spend 1 hour of time for our classes. Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot.